you make me move. And on and on and on.
The pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. Oh, let's have a bit of fun till I downfall, my love.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your kisses. I know that find somebody else to love you daily. You did me dirty the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say goodbye.
I don't wanna risk it all again, but I don't wanna be on my own. It always goes much better in my head, but the feelings end up wasted. So I'm sorry for breaking down when you said you got me. I'm used to being let down, but I'm hoping if I'm falling too fast, then you'll catch me. You'll catch me. So I'm sorry that you might have to see I'm not flawless. I promise that I'm facing my problems. If I'm falling too fast, will you catch me? Will you catch me before I crash? so afraid that you'll run out of patience. Trust me, I know how it feels to be hopelessly waiting. Sometimes I don't know if I can even change, but I'm still trying. So I'm sorry, that you might have to see I'm not